Hi, today we are gonna unpack OnePlus 7. I ordered it from Amazon.com. It's the most popular online website from which you can buy things in India. So now I'm starting to unpack the parcel which I got from Amazon today in my office. Here we go. It's a surprise. So here is the packaging which OnePlus does. This is the kind of package which OnePlus does for its products. See, it's written like OnePlus community, a global tech movement where everyone can play a fundamental role in creating and sharing the best tech with the world. I actually cannot read what is written over here because of this cover which is given over here. But overall, I would say the packaging looks great. I have bought so many phones before, but this is something else. I like the way they package the phone. Now I'm going to start unpacking this main cover of the OnePlus 7. So you got to find some place from where we can start removing the plastic. So here we go again. After unpacking the top plastic, we've got this 7 logo over here which depicts OnePlus 7, which is inside this box. This is how the box looks like. So in India, the market price of this phone is 38,990, which is quite more than the old version of OnePlus 7, which is 32,333. Now it's a surprise time. Here we go. Yeah, this is silver grey model of OnePlus 7. Here you go. See how nice it looks. How big. 6.5-inch screen. Impeccable display. And quite a lot of features which only a few phone has. See this. This is how the silver grey model of OnePlus 7 looks like. So now I'm going to check what they have given over in the packet. Just have a quick look what is there. This is the wire they have given. As per my knowledge, the USB cable which they have given. Let me check to make sure. Yes, there's the USB cable they have given. Something else is here, it seems. It's a charger. So this USB cable is going to get connected with this charger. I don't think they have given an ear pod with this one. There's no ear pod. So now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on this phone. Yes, here we go. So this is how the welcome screen looks like. They're saying hi there. I'm going to activate this phone right now. I'm going to start finding where's my home country, India. I think this is the language. My mistake. Should be English. English United States. I think this should work for me. Let's start this. There's some terms and conditions. I would simply agree with this one. I would agree with this one. Experience program. To mobile network. Yeah. Now is the time to insert the SIM cards. So see you in some time.